So why was it Sapphire won Tech Company of the Year? Well, one of the key reasons was the investment in what we've done with our equipment to make things safer, faster, more automated on site. Let's lift the lid on a few of those innovations. So one of the pieces of equipment which has been created by Sapphire is this patented technology for the remote locking device, the RLD. It enables a balcony to be locked onto the building from installers safely inside of the building itself. So what you can see here is a remote control technology which enables that to be connected to the balcony and the balcony to be connected to a building, and all controlled from one remote control. The benefits of RLD is that it can be connected to any building, like a unitized facade, for example, where you haven't got access to the outside of the building easily, or maybe concrete wall panels, for example. And these are scenarios which can be easily done without any need for access equipment on the outside of the building. It also enables the balcony to bring the arm up within the cassette of the balcony, and therefore you don't need a second stage for fitting an arm to the outside. So that's one of the benefits. The other big benefit is safety. People are safely within the building until this light goes green to say it's properly located and the audible noise is heard. The red light will be on at any other point in time, so that people know clearly when it's safe to move out onto a balcony, and they're doing everything within the building and not using harnesses to work on the outside edge of a balcony, for example.